Hey guys, it's snowing now. It's just 9:30 only. You can see the snow is flying. And they said that it's a snowstorm in Minnesota
Yeah,
now.
it's below 25, 30 miles an hour right now.
Oh my gosh. Very strong wind, man.
Well, it's a lot stronger than before. I mean, that's not. No worries.
This one is the back door, you know. And
Open the door.
okay. Oh my god. Snow everywhere already. See? It's flying.
Snow
Okay.
flurry. Snow flurry.
Oh my god, I cannot stand, man. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. And you see, snow is stopping. And not much last night. But the wind is still very strong. So, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.